This flying machine is not magic. It's precision engineering in action.
It all starts with lightweight yet strong materials. Precision cutting shapes the drone's skeleton. Each part fits perfectly into the frame. The brain of the drone is carefully built. Every circuit is tested to ensure flawless performance. These powerful motors generate the force to lift the drone. Balanced propellers ensure stable and smooth flight. Now the drone begins to take its final shape. Every connection must be precise and secure. This ensures flawless software integration. Smart software controls every movement and decision. Sensors allow the drone to see and navigate its world. Vision ready. Accuracy check. Calibration ensures perfect balance and stability. The first flight test begins. Only perfect drones pass final inspection. Carefully packed and ready to ship. From factory to sky, innovation takes flight.